Marching songs were used to direct troops on long journeys, maintain morale, and even direct troops on the battlefield. Military traditions continue to form part of our modern marching band. Many of the uniforms have echoes of the military, and many popular high school marching band songs date back centuries. Once marching bands became outdated in a military setting, these bands were seen in sports and popular entertainment venues. John Philip Sousa, head of the United States Marine Band, is considered the founding father of the modern marching band. He took the U.S. Marine Band across the country, playing traditional marching band songs to audiences during an annual fall tour. Modern audience will know marching band music from the halftime shows of American football games. This tradition dates to the University of Illinois Marching Illini in 1907. The University of Illinois Marching Illini is the first recorded instance of marching songs played at a football game. While classic marching band songs may be universal, different cultures across the nation have formed unique marching band music traditions that are staples on their home fields and even incorporated into the music you hear today.
You see Mama? Right there, Mama. Right there.
All right, joining us from Spokane Valley, Washington, please welcome the University High School Marching Band Color Guard. Why wait for the storm to pass when you can sing in the rain? When you're stuck with a gray and lonely day, remember, the sun will come out tomorrow. University High School's program is entitled When It Rains and features the following musical selections: Singing in the Rain by Ignacio Herb Brown, Summer in G by Antonio Vivaldi, Rain, Rain, Go Away, and Tomorrow by Charles Stross, all music arranged by Nate Hunt. Drum majors, is your band ready? The Central Valley University of Wendy's is proud to present the Spring Sound Exhibition performance. Drum major Lillian Pasco and the University High School Marching Band and Color Guard. University High School Marching Band and Color Guard is under the direction of Garrett Newville and assistants Tiffany Von Togel, Alice Momer, Grace Nall, Stacy Martinez-Truxell, Benjamin Merzika, Evan George, Hayden Udegard, Lex Bose, Gage Crawford, Gabe Hawkins, Emily Hawkins, Faith Willard, Dominic McCauley, and Mariah Newville. When It Rains was designed by Nate Hunt, James Lehman, Tiffany Von Tobel, Kelly Empman, and Christina Litterman. University High School Marching Band would like to thank the administration at University for their support, as well as their parent booster group, Friends of University High Music. Ladies and gentlemen, the University High School Marching Band and Color Guard.